Remain aware of water levels and be ready to move to higher ground should flooding be observed. Days 2 through 7, Sunday through Friday. River flood impact. River flooding is expected on Cypress Creek
Talk about
and
river
Garden
flooding.
through Monday. Residents living along rivers or faster flowing streams should remain aware of water levels and be ready to move to higher ground should flooding be observed. Spotter information statement. Spotters monitor the weather and self-activate if needed. Flood watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. The flood watch continues for a portion of West Central Florida, including the following areas: coastal Hernando, coastal Hillsborough, coastal Manatee, coastal Pasco, coastal Sarasota, inland Hernando, inland Hillsborough, inland Manatee, inland Pasco, inland Sarasota, and Pinellas. Until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon, rainfall amounts of up to 3/4 of an inch are expected early this morning and throughout the day across the watch area, with locally higher amounts possible. Areas which received a very heavy rainfall Friday could see additional flooding of low-lying and poor drainage areas. A flood watch means that flooding is possible during the next 24 to 36 hours. Residents living in flood-prone areas should take action to protect property. The current time is 11:39 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
These are the 11 a.m. up.
Alright, about that flood watch we just saw, this is a fine example. I mean, I can put my foot in it and you can see ripples. This is a sidewalk area near my house. I'm not gonna show you the houses. See? Just gonna take care. And there's leaves and stuff everywhere. Hey, how you doing?
What?
Twigs. There's a bunch of stuff around this area. So look, there's all mud and stuff. Not too much up here. How you doing? Have a nice day. Grass. Man. Let me check somewhere else. Oh, here's a big puddle. I would ride through it on my bike, but I do not want to get myself all wet. By the way, okay, I can't help myself. I have got to go get my bike. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Man. Man. I'm also using YouTube capture. Don't worry, I will delete its crappy effects. Alright, I guess that's it. See ya.